I think our customers' wins are the ones that are most exciting to me. We've seen customers who started as a few folks in a garage building hardware and are now scaling to tens of thousands of square foot facilities, building high volumes of products for government customers or commercial customers, and seeing them go on that, 2 or 3 year journey with Cofactr alongside them is probably one of the most exciting wins we get to see.
Well, last year we had about a year-long project and we hadn't even released the new procurement app yet. And I was able to sort of plan out and make all these purchases for scheduled releases, and everything went according to plan, and it was just such a relief, but also such a big win when it was over. It was very, very cool.
A few months ago, we had this customer who had maybe been using Cofactr for about 3 weeks, 4 weeks. And they came onto a call and told us that they never wanted to do their job again without Cofactr. That was just the coolest thing to hear, right? Because it wasn't about like how much money they were saving or time. It was just about the fact that they now can only want to do their job with Cofactr.
My team is basically the voice of the customer at Cofactr, so anytime a customer gets a win, it's a win for me and the team. So I think there's a plethora of times where customers have come to us saying like, hey, this has worked out great. Hey, we've saved a bunch of time, we've saved a bunch of money. And so, as that voice and representation of the customer in the company, those are wins for us, and those always feel great and massive.
A time that I experienced a win in my role would be the shift from us solving a problem and trying to convince people that the problem that we're solving was worth solving, and all of a sudden feeling a pull from the general market, having customers proactively coming to us, wanting the products and the services that we provide, and wanting us to solve more of their problems, which is a really exciting moment in any startup's sort of growth and trajectory.
I was a little bit anxious about being a hiring manager because I know it can be very difficult to kind of find people that work, but we found people that work, and it's really good. And I've never worked on a team that kind of meshes this well. So I think that's definitely the biggest W that I've had.
I think one of the most interesting things I've gotten to work on that I was really excited about the outcome is building a solution for providing real-time part data for our customers. We had to go kind of off the rails of how you would normally build a data fetching solution for this, and so I had to get really creative with how I built the solution from the front end perspective, and had to kind of go outside of the box of the tools that I would normally use, and in the end was able to create this thing that just worked and still works, and we're able to get information to our customers much more quickly instead of making them wait on parts of the data that take a lot longer. And so it provides just a much better experience for the customer, being able to see data immediately and look at what they need to see right away.
Putting together this space that we're in right now, our warehouse space, right when I came on, we expanded and moved into this space and built it all, and we got to take time to actually set it up and get it laid out the way we want to, and that was fun.
Yeah, I think the biggest win for me is watching my team grow and get excited about their work every day too. Just watching them move through all the different stages of their work and experiencing new and exciting things and getting excited about it.
Very shortly after I started, we were expanding, so I got to be involved in the growing of our team. And we recently hired another engineer on our team, Joel, and Joel is absolutely amazing. And it took us quite a while to find the right fit, but we're very, very happy to have him. So I think that's a win for us.
Working with the logistics team has been really gratifying. I would say the win there is maybe not a single type of win, but just kind of continuous wins, where it's bridging what's happening physically in logistics to what's happening digitally on the platform. It's really gratifying to understand both sides of it.
Most of my activities, or a big part of it, are developing standard procedures and writing them up, putting in paper. When I finish one up for all the processes that we have and constantly changing, it's very rewarding, and that's a big win for me to be able to actually share what we're doing and be able to train people and communicate what we do to everybody. So that's or that's my biggest win.